Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the fashion life of Princess Catherine, Princess of Wales. From her stunning wedding dresses to her iconic red carpet looks, Catherine's style is a perfect blend of classic and modern. In this video, we will take a closer look at Catherine's most iconic outfits and fashion moments, her favorite designers and style inspiration, her life as a member of the royal family and her philanthropic work, her timeless beauty and elegance, her impact on the fashion world and her legacy as a style icon. So get ready for a journey filled with inspiration, fashion and glimpse into the life of one of the most beloved women in the world. Some of Catherine's most iconic outfits include her wedding dresses designed by Sarah Bruton for Alexander McQueen, her coronation gown designed by Catherine Walker, her iconic red carpet look designed by Jenny Peckham and Alexander McQueen, her stunning evening gowns and cocktail dresses, her chic and sophisticated daytime looks. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Princess Catherine moments with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and beauty. Thank you very much for watching. By subscribing to our channel, you will get to access to a wide range of fashion and lifestyle content, including in-depth fashion analysis and style breakdowns, exclusive interviews with fashion designers and industry experts, the latest fashion trends and must-have pieces, beauty tutorials and product reviews, lifestyle tips and advice from industry professionals. So subscribe now and join our community for fashion enthusiasts. Click the link in our bio to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos, where fashion lovers from all over the world can come together to celebrate their passion for style. On my channel, you will find a variety of content dedicated to the world of fashion, including fashion analysis, style tips, and lifestyle advice. My goal is to inspire and educate fashion enthusiasts and to provide a platform for like-minded individuals to share their thoughts and ideas. Whether you are a fashion student, a style enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to stay up to date on the latest trends, my channel is for you. So subscribe now and let's explore the world of fashion together. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and what type of video do you like in future.